Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Dodge Journey SE with the Blacktop Package. Stock number B9184A. Only 6,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this Journey brand new. Redline in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, as well as 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. This Journey seats 7, cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Additional in-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Middle row seats full flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Hitch and wiring. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And of course, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 6,000 miles with driver information system, operated by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen display for radio, dual zone automatic temperature control, hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Journey has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 173 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and again, only 6,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.